Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and jaw-dropping vehicles ever to hit the road, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. A true masterpiece of opulence on wheels, this model redefines what it means to travel in style. Mercedes-Maybach has always been a symbol of high-class motoring, but in 2026, the brand has gone a step further by merging cutting-edge automotive engineering with five-star hotel-level luxury in a motorhome that looks more like a rolling palace than an RV. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is a stunning sight to behold. It commands attention with its sheer size and unmistakable Maybach presence. The signature chrome-finished Maybach grille is front and center, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlamps featuring intelligent digital light technology. The body is sculpted with smooth, flowing lines that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency despite the vehicle's size. High-gloss paint options are available in two-tone finishes, including obsidian black with rubellite red or nautical blue with iridium silver, all done with hand-polished precision. The motorhome sits on custom 24-inch multi-spoke forged alloy wheels, designed not just for looks but for maximum strength and stability. Motorized side panels extend outward when parked, transforming the space into a mobile suite. The rear section features a panoramic window wall and a deployable terrace for outdoor relaxation, complete with integrated ambient lighting. At the top, the motorhome sports a retractable solar panel array that powers various onboard systems and enhances the vehicle's eco-credentials. Every inch of the exterior screams prestige, from the LED welcome lights to the Maybach-branded auto-deploying steps. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into an environment that rivals private jets and five-star suites. The cabin is a handcrafted blend of the finest materials. Full-grain Nappa leather, open-pore walnut wood, and brushed aluminum accents cover nearly every surface. The living area is separated into lounge, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom sections, all designed with ultimate comfort and functionality in mind. The lighting is fully customizable via a touchscreen panel, offering 64 ambient color options and even circadian rhythm syncing. The lounge space includes a 75-inch 8K OLED smart TV that rises from a hidden compartment, accompanied by a Burmester 4D surround sound system for cinema-quality audio. The reclining massage chairs come with heating, cooling, and memory settings, while electrochromic windows allow for complete privacy or panoramic visibility at the touch of a button. The kitchen is a gourmet haven featuring Miele appliances, an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, wine cooler, and Italian marble countertops. Smart storage systems slide out seamlessly, and even the sink is voice-activated. The bathroom is a full wet room with a rainfall shower system, heated floors, and a Japanese-style bidet toilet. It's clad in luxury stone tiles and includes automatic scent diffusers and anti-fog mirrors. The bedroom, situated in the rear, features a king-sized bed with an adaptive mattress that adjusts to your body position in real time. Surrounding it are touch-operated cabinets, a skylight with starlight illumination, and even a walk-in closet fitted with automated wardrobe management technology. From a performance standpoint, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome doesn't just settle for comfort. It's built to move with elegance and power. It's powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid EQ boost system, delivering around 600 horsepower and over 800 newton-meters of torque. Despite its size, the vehicle accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6.5 seconds, which is phenomenal for a luxury motorhome of this magnitude. The motorhome is built on a reinforced sprinter-based platform but extended and re-engineered for maximum ride comfort and structural rigidity. It includes Mercedes' Airmatic air suspension system that adjusts in real time based on road conditions, keeping the ride smooth even on uneven terrain. Steering is assisted by a new rear-wheel steering system, allowing for tighter turns in narrow spaces. The 9G Tronic automatic transmission ensures smooth gear transitions, and the vehicle supports multiple drive modes including comfort, eco, and off-road. For long-distance driving, the intelligent cruise control with route-based speed adjustment and semi-autonomous driving capabilities make this a true grand tourer. In terms of features, this motorhome is a tech powerhouse. It comes with the latest MBUX Hyperscreen, a full-width digital dashboard spanning over 50 inches that integrates infotainment, vehicle controls, and passenger entertainment. The system supports AI-based personalization, voice control, and AR navigation. There's built-in 5G connectivity, satellite television, and even remote diagnostics. The vehicle can be entirely managed via a smartphone app, from climate control to seat settings to security features. Advanced driver assistance systems include active lane keeping, blind spot assist, 360-degree cameras with 3D imaging, and predictive obstacle detection. It also offers remote parking, automatic level adjustment when stationary, and intelligent trailer backup assist for those towing additional gear. Climate is controlled via a 4-zone system that uses air purification, ionization, and fragrance diffusers to ensure a fresh cabin at all times. Security is another standout element. The vehicle includes biometric access controls, facial recognition ignition start, encrypted storage compartments, and armored safety glass for all windows. Emergency medical systems and SOS calling are standard. The vehicle's onboard AI monitors driver fatigue and can suggest brakes or take control momentarily in emergency conditions. As for pricing, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at an eye-watering $1.8 million, depending on the configuration and level of personalization. Mercedes-Maybach offers a bespoke customization program that allows owners to choose unique interior layouts, custom materials, monogrammed finishes, and even personalized concierge services. It's expected that most buyers will spend well over $2 million after customizations. Deliveries are made directly to customers with white glove handover and 1-year onboard concierge support. This motorhome is clearly not for the average traveler. It's aimed at ultra-high net worth individuals looking for the pinnacle of road travel. Whether it's for cross-country luxury touring, mobile business meetings, or simply owning a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome delivers beyond expectations. So, is this the future of luxury mobility? With its unmatched combination of performance, technology, and handcrafted comfort, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome may have just set a new benchmark. Let us know in the comments what you think about this luxurious machine on wheels. Thanks for watching Auto Info Master. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more premium automotive reviews and faceless deep dives into the world's most impressive vehicles.